Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. Jai Hind. Preamble of Indian Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. Jai Hind.
Day. It was in the year 2015, in May, when the Union Cabinet decided to establish 26 November as Constitution Day to advance constitutional values among residents. The day was declared in the year which marked the 125th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of Drafting Committee of the Constitution. Other people on the Drafting Committee of the Constitution included Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, etc. Constitution Day of India is also known as Samvidhan Divas or National Law Day or National Constitution Day. 26 November has its own importance in the history of independent India because on this day in 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted and it came into effect on 26 January 1950, therefore marking the dawn of a new era. In 1934, the demand of the Constituent Assembly was made. Let us tell you that M.N. Roy, a communist leader, was the first who mooted the idea. It was taken by the Congress Party and finally in 1940, the demand was accepted by the British government. Indians also allowed to draft the Indian Constitution in the August offer. On 9 December 1946, the Constituent Assembly for the first time met before independence. The first president of Constituent Assembly was Sachin Chandra Sinha. On 29 August 1947, a drafting committee was constituted to prepare a draft constitution with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. On 26 November 1949, the committee finished its work. On January 1950, the process was completed when the members signed two handwritten copies of the document, one each in Hindi and English. The first meeting of the Assembly was in New Delhi on 9 December 1946 and last till 24 January 1950. During this time, of 11 sessions were held. This is the period between adoption and enforcement when through reading the translation from English to Hindi were done. The fundamental rights in the Constitution have become the shield of the citizens while the fundamental duties remains as our responsibilities. Interesting facts. People must know that it took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to prepare the Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. The original copy of the Constitution was written by hand. The original copies of the Constitution are preserved inside the Library of Parliament. The box in which it is kept is filled with helium and wrapped in fennel cloth with naphthalene balls. Each page of the Constitution has a gold leaf frame, and the opening page of each chapter has some of artwork. The renowned writer Prem Narayan had prepared the original copies of the Constitution. The basic structure of the Indian Constitution is based on the Government of Act India 1935. Thank you.